What's up, Twitter subscribers? This is Jesse. Just want to say thanks for subscribing to me on Twitter. I had to change it from a paid service to thinking that it would go away, and I wasn't doing any content for it because I had the paid newsletter. And there's still a bunch of you that are still paying for it. And even though I changed the description to just like almost like a tip jar, like a thank you, whatever. And but here you are, you're still subscribing, still paying for it. So I figured that I should start doing some short videos for you and try to help you out. You've been supporting me, so thank you. I'll also post these short video clips. I'm going to try to keep them to like 3 to 5 minutes. I'll post them into the Discord as well. I just did a 68-minute detailed video there in the Discord on Saturday. So I'm trying to do those more often as well, like the longer one, going over Bitcoin, silver, gold, some of the stocks that we're watching, NASDAQ, stuff like that. So that's why those ones go a little bit longer. So I'm talking a little bit fast here, so I'm going to just jump right into it. So you got on the monthly chart, I pointed out in a couple of tweets that we had a buy signal here on the monthly chart, and it was the first monthly close back above the 200-week moving average. We had a couple fake outs to the downside with the monthly chart, but all in all, we had 4 monthly closes in a row above the 200-week moving average. And the reason why I point that out, I don't trade with moving averages, but a lot of people think, a lot of people do trade with moving averages, and so it's important to them, it's important to the algorithms, and it's many investors will say that it's a bull market above the 200-week moving average. It's a bull market if it's above the 200-day moving average. So those are all things out there that are important to people from a psychological standpoint. So that's why we have it on the screen. The 200-week moving average is kind of like a bookmark. So it is back above there. Now you can see on the indicator we have a MACD bull cross pending. So we had a bearish MACD crossover back here. It was pending in January, and then we had one in February. And of course, price can go against the MACD as create some divergence and then head back down lower, right? So was pointing that out back here. We were shorting heavily here. I was shorting ETH back here in April on this drop, and of course up here at like 43.84 on Ethereum. I know this is Bitcoin, but they look very similar to when they were correcting. So that's the monthly. It's bullish. It's above the 200-week moving average. It's trending upwards. It's almost 27,000 now. You got a small CME gap here that we've had on the chart for a long time, about 35,000. We have a confluence area here, target 2, right in the same area. And then, of course, then we'll see if it hits target 3 and target 4. Obviously, this is not financial advice. Do your own research and don't risk more than you can afford to lose. So that's the monthly. Drop down the weekly. Still seeing the weekly as bullish. We had a buy signal back here the January 9th, and it's been bullish ever since. And then we had a higher weekly close here, taking that out, and then followed by another slightly higher close. And then, it's still early in the week, so we'll see if it closes above. But as of right now, it looks like it'd be the second consecutive candle close above and trending upwards. So if you look at the daily chart had a buy signal. The last buy signal here was June 19th, and had a big move up, traded sideways, and now it looks to be breaking back above here. So on the daily chart, it's bullish. The weekly chart, it's bullish. The monthly chart is bullish. So there's no reason to really talk about $10,000 Bitcoin. As you can see, it's taking a long time to get to this point. There's very quick movements followed by consolidation, quick movements followed by. So you can see, there's people calling for 10,000 Bitcoin back here, and also 100,000 Bitcoin or $1 million Bitcoin. So, that's all noise. It's all great for influencing. It's all great for, them to get likes, comments, dislikes, helps their algorithm to influence stuff. But this is more of reality charts. And so we're hyper focused on, is it continuing to trend up and is it going to hit the next target? Because at the end of the day, it's about making money and it's about, locking in profits. So to the best of our ability. We're going to lose some, but hopefully we win more often than not. Keep winning and take those profits. So thank you. I'll get this uploaded to Twitter and then I'll get it uploaded to the Discord. And thanks for your support. Appreciate it. Oh, and if you're in the US, hope you have a happy 4th of July tomorrow. If not, I hope you can spend some time with your family and stuff, even if you're outside of the US. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.